In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit with a brown effect. Hi, this is Age from Liquid Earth. Thanks for joining me. We're going to edit this photo. First of all, we're going to go into Light. And we're going to adjust our exposure down to -24. Take the highlights down to -17. And the shadows, we're going to go to +20. Next, go to curves, tap the image to add points, and we're going to create a very small S-curve. Bring the top point up a little bit and the bottom point down a little bit, and keep the center point right in the middle. Next, go to the red channel, add a point in the center, and pull that up slightly, and press done. Next, we're going to go to color. And we're going to add a little bit of vibrance to our image, +15, and we're going to take the saturation down to -14. Then in effects, take the texture down a little bit to -10, clarity down a little bit to -4. And let's add a little vignette, -8. Now go to detail, and we're going to take the sharpening up to +38, and we're going to add the masking at 65. Finally, back into color and go to mix. And starting with the reds, we're going to take the hue down, -26, saturation to +10, and the luminance to +7. Next, orange. Add a little bit of saturation, we're going to go to +9 and the luminance down to -4. Then in yellows, take the hue down to -50, +18 on the saturation, and -19 on the luminance. And then in the green channel, saturation down to -51 and luminance to +7. In the aqua channel, take the saturation down to -54. And then in blue, again take the saturation down to -52. And in purple, saturation down to -52 as well. And finally in magenta, also saturation down to -52, and press done. And now you can see the before by tapping and holding the image, and release to see the after. Now we can save that as a preset. To do that, tap the three little dots, which is the settings, and click create preset. Give your preset a name. If you'd like to create a new folder, click user presets and create new preset group, and give that a name, and press the tick. These are the parameters that you should tick if they're not already, and press the tick again to complete. Now you can apply that preset filter to any image. Just click the presets, navigate to your folder, and click the brown tone. And if you hold the image, you can see the before and the after. Press tick to apply. Thanks for watching, guys. You can download that preset if you haven't saved it. Just go to the information below. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps me to grow the channel. And thanks again, guys. I will see you next time.